Hello everyone, welcome to Cong's Real World Data. This is Cong Wang. Today I will talk about how to calculate Cronbach's alpha for your measures in R. For most academic articles, researchers need to report the values of Cronbach's alpha to show the reliability of your measures. In my sample data, I have a self-developed scale called rational generation orientation, which includes two subconstructs, rational generation tendency and rational generation quality. Today, I will use this scale as an example to show you how to calculate Cronbach's alpha in R. First, let's load the sample data. In my last video, I recoded all string variables into numerical variables, which allows me to employ statistical analysis. The recoded data is called mydata.recoded. It's an RDS file. Next, we need to create a subset of data, which contains items for Cronbach's alpha calculation. In my example, I have two subconstructs within rational generation orientation. Therefore, I need to create two subsets of data and calculate Cronbach's alpha for each subconstruct separately. Here, I load the package of tidyverse because I want to use the pipe operator. I pass my data to the select function. I select the columns from RGO1 to RGO6 and assign the output to RGT. Similarly, I select the columns from RGO7 to RGO15 and assign the output to RGQ. Now we are ready for Cronbach's alpha calculation. There is more than one way to get Cronbach's alpha in R. In this video, I use the alpha function from the package of sec. Let's load the package. The code is pretty straightforward. Alpha, parentheses RGT. Run it. You can find the values of Cronbach's alpha, as well as the 95% confidence intervals of it. In this video, I showed you how to calculate Cronbach's alpha by using the alpha function in R. One important step is to create a subset of data that includes relevant items for calculation. It is important to ensure the internal reliability of your items before using them for any data analysis. In the next video, I will show you how to create a composite score in R. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.